In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master content calendar in Asana, bringing all of your campaigns into one place. This tool will become your central hub for managing social media campaigns effectively and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open Asana and click on the plus new project button to get started. You have the option to choose between a blank project and a content calendar template. For this tutorial, let's select a blank project. Give your new project the name Social Media Content Calendar. When it comes to viewing options, either calendar view or board view works best for visibility, and these will be particularly useful as they allow you to see when posts are scheduled easily. This project will act as your command center for managing all your social media posts. Once your project is set up, it's time to organize it by platforms or various campaigns. You can use sections if you're in list view or columns if you've opted for board view. Consider creating distinct sections for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. If you're managing different campaigns such as a product launch or holiday campaign, set up sections for these too. This organization method provides a clear overview, making it easier for you to focus on each platform or campaign individually. Now, let's add content tasks. Remember, each task in Asana equals one social media post. For example, you could create a task titled Instagram Reel, How to Use Asana for Teams. In the task description, include a draft of the caption, your hashtags, any image or video links, and specific notes for designers or editors. This ensures everyone involved has the necessary details up front, improving efficiency and clarity. Moving on, assigning tasks is the next critical step. Designate specific tasks to content creators, designers, or editors. Additionally, set due dates for drafts, approvals, and publishing to maintain a smooth workflow. By switching to calendar view, you'll be able to see all your posts neatly aligned by date, which aids in maintaining deadlines. For a more detailed workflow, subtasks can be implemented for each main task. For instance, you might break down the creation of a post into subtasks such as drafting captions by the copywriter, designing content by the designers, and reviewing and approving by the manager. This breakdown ensures clear accountability and helps in tracking progress with ease. Automation can be a game changer, reducing manual workload drastically. Set rules like automatically assigning a task to a scheduler when it's moved to ready to publish or sending reminders when a due date arrives. This automation means less chasing around and more time for strategic planning. Finally, track performance with reporting. Add custom fields to record post type, status, and engagement metrics like likes or comments. This data allows you to export reports for performance analysis across platforms, helping you understand what works best for your audience.